संज्ञा के बारे में कहने वाला हूँ। किसी व्यक्ति, प्राणी, स्थान और भाव के नाम को संज्ञा कहते हैं। संज्ञा के 3 भेद हैं: जातिवाचक संज्ञा, भाववाचक, व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा, भाववाचक संज्ञा। जातिवाचक संज्ञा लड़का, लड़की, गाय, पर्वत आदि। व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा घर, क्षेत्र, समाज आदि। भाववाचक संज्ञा गहराई, ऊंचाई, बुढ़ापा,
Speak loudly, speak loudly.
पेड़ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लेकर हमको ऑक्सीजन देता है। धन्यवाद।
आप सबको सुप्रभात। मेरा नाम हसन अली है। मैं 4वीं कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ। आज मैं भारतीय सेना के बारे में बोलने जा रहा हूँ। भारतीय सैनिक सच्चे देशभक्त जो हमारे राष्ट्र के गौरव को बनाए रखने के लिए अपना जीवन समर्पित करते हैं। भारतीय सैनिक हमारे सच्चे नायक हैं। वे दिन रात हमारे राष्ट्रीय सीमाओं की रक्षा करते हैं और दुश्मनों के हमलों से हमें बचाने के लिए अपने प्राणों की आहुति देते हैं। धन्यवाद।
वेरी गुड।
मेरा विषय पर्यायवाचक से बहुत सारे शब्द होते हैं। मध्य, पेड़, वृक्ष, कमल, नीरज, आँख, नेत्र, नयन, सूरज, दिन, भाव, भास्कर, मछली, मत्स्य, मकर, शार्क। थैंक यू।
कक्षा 6 की छात्रा पिरागोशी। ये है मेरा प्रोजेक्ट केदारनाथ उत्तराखंड का एक पवित्र शिव मंदिर है जो 12 ज्योतिर्लिंगों में से एक और चालम यात्रा का हिस्सा है जो मंदाकिनी नदी के किनारे 3,514 मीटर पर स्थित है। इनका मैं कक्षा 6 की क्लासेस हूँ। ये है मेरा प्रोजेक्ट पिक्चर। हम चर्च को जाते हैं और प्रेयर करते हैं। हर 25 दिसंबर को क्रिसमस आते हैं, बहुत अच्छे से सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद आप सभी को। मेरा नाम कासिम और ये मेरा मित्र निखिल है। आज हम आप सभी को पेड़ बचाओ जलने के बारे में कहना चाहते हैं। जैसे कि आप सभी को मालूम है कि हमारे ज़िंदगी में जल और पानी का बहुत ज़्यादा बर्बादी है, तो हम आप सभी को कहना चाहते हैं कि जल पेड़ कभी नहीं काटना चाहिए, जल बर्बाद नहीं करना चाहिए। बारिश के पानी को कभी भी वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए। ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पेड़ और पौधों को लेना चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
मेरा नाम आसिया है। मैं 7वीं कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ। आज मैं सर्वनाम के बारे में बोलने जा रहा हूँ। जिन शब्दों का प्रयोग करते हैं उसको सर्वनाम कहलाते हैं। सर्वनाम के 6 भेद होते हैं। पुरुषवाची सर्वनाम, निश्चयवाची सर्वनाम, अनिश्चयवाची सर्वनाम, लिंगवाची सर्वनाम, प्रश्नवाची सर्वनाम और संबंधवाची सर्वनाम।
Please speak.
Good morning everyone, my name is Purayan Sairaj. I am studying in 12th class. I am going to say about soil. Earth is a beautiful planet. There are mountains and plains, hills and valleys, deserts, sea and oceans on the earth. Soil from the uppermost layer of the earth's surface on which plants grow. It takes 1,000 years for soil from soil to soil. Types of soil: bedrock,
Parent rock.
subsoil, topsoil, humus. Life is around us. The sun is the biggest grand source of light, but the light is not enough to consume all. The shadows we see it will always appear as a dark patch on the opposite side of light. Good morning everyone, my name is Akshay. I am from 4th class. My topic is about structure of teeth. We are having in structure of teeth crown, neck, roots, enamel, template and pulp. Crown, the palm of it above the gum is called as crown. Neck, the part of it below the crown touching the gum is called as neck.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Sheikh Mudassir Nithar. I am studying in 6th standard. Today I am going to say about rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is the process of collecting, storing rainwater from different purposes instead of letting it run. It helps us reduce water scarcity. Different methods of rainwater harvesting system are rooftop, surface runoff, and recharge pit or well, etc. Components of a rainwater water.
Good morning everyone, my name is Kaushik. I am studying in 5th class. Today my topic is about layers of atmosphere. Troposphere, there is a first layer of atmosphere where parachutes fly in this layer. Stratosphere, there is a second layer of atmosphere where aeroplanes fly in this layer. Mesosphere, there is a third layer of atmosphere. There is a coldest layer and astronauts fly in this layer. Thermosphere, there is a fourth layer of atmosphere where satellites fall. Exosphere, there is a uppermost layer of atmosphere where jet planes fly here. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Satvik. I am studying in 7th class. Today my topic is about urinary system. This are kidneys. This is ureter, and this is urinary bladder, and this is urethra. When we will drink the water, the waste and the excess water and salts removed from our body.
Very good.
Today I am an astronaut. An astronaut is a person who trained to travel and work in space, called astronaut, undertaking missions to explore, conduct scientific research, and maintain spacecraft like International Space Station (ISS), involving work with controlling complex systems like environment and studying the universe. Neil Armstrong is the first person to step on the moon. My name is
standard. Today my topic is about solar system.
Wow.
First planet is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. Second planet is Venus. Venus is the second planet in our solar system. Earth is the third planet of our solar system. Is also called as blue planet. And the fourth planet is the Mars. Mars is also called as the red planet. And the fifth planet is called Jupiter. There is no surface on the Jupiter. And the sixth planet is called the Saturn. And the seventh planet is called Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet of our solar system, and the coldest planet. And the last planet of our solar system is Neptune. Thank you.
These grapes every day can run a mile and not get tired. Plus, keep your organs clean and feel energetic when you are old. Thank you, sir.
English. Where is the fish?
Hey, who is this sister?
These are amazing games. These games help us stress relief after a long day in work or school. These games we can play with friends and family. But which try this game? You should pull this and launch these balls and you should put in this game. Which time?
సాయి ఆగేసాను ట్రై కొంచెం ఫోర్స్ పెట్టలేదు
Pull down and leave backside. Like this you should and remove your finger like this. Okay.
ఇమీడియట్లీ తీసేయమంటాడు.
Oh, success.
The laptop and computer shortcut keys. Laptop can be used for playing games and we can search information through Google and certain various apps. And we can click on various websites. And computer shortcut keys are the combination of keys that perform a with command quickly and improve efficiency and reduces the need of a program. Now I'm going to show the shortcut keys. Control plus C is to copy. Control plus X is to cut. Control plus V is to paste. going to say about generations of computer. Generations of computer are typically divided into 5 different phases. First generation 1942 to 1956 vacuum tube. Second generation
Good morning everyone. My name is Devansh. I am studying in 6th class. Today my topic is about idilim. An idilim is a group of words whose meaning is different from the meaning of individual words. You cannot understand an idilim by translating it by word. An idilim have a special or hidden meaning. Example: piece of cake, meaning very easy. It's a snack. To go to sleep. Thank you.
Myself Antarishi. We are studying in 9th standard. Our model is about air purifier. Air purifier is very important for every country, every state and every houses because the polluted air which is released by factories and the industries vehicles are very harmful to health. You can observe the polluted air and releases the fresh air. The factory releases the polluted air. It travels to this pipe and enters into the carbon absorber. It absorbs the carbon and travels to this pipe and enters into the box of cotton. Cotton is attached to the surroundings of the box because it can easily pass through it. By passing, cotton absorbs the dust particles and releases the fresh air. Thank you.
There are 4 different sentences. This sentence makes a part or declares a fact. Example: like my sister know how to swim, and this is imperative sentence. This sentence gives a request. Example: that please shut the door. This is interrogative sentence. This sentence asks us a direct question. Example: where did you leave the car keys? This is exclamatory sentence which expresses your feeling or emotion. Example: wow, what a beautiful garden. Thank you.
Good morning, I am myself Sneha Magre of class 9th of Fire. Today my topic is about solar panels and ironing cards. Ironing cards are very common in rural areas like villages. They use coal commonly, which is non-renewable and they are very expensive. Instead, we can fix solar panels on the top of the ironing cards. That is so much better, and because of that, the solar energy would be converted into electrical energy. All the electrical energy could be stored in a battery. This battery will heat up the electrical iron, and plus it's much more safer. You want to see how it works? So right now it does not work properly, and if I cover it, does not work. But if I keep it near the sun, if I keep it near the sun, it works so perfectly. But if I cover it, it does not. And it also works with the battery. So the battery will get charged automatically because of the solar energy.
like YouTube, Spotify are also based on artificial intelligence. Automatic vehicles also run with the help of artificial intelligence. AI customer service and big companies provide the customer service 24/7, helping the customers every day. Future potential of AI, which means we can see AI in future in focus automation, AI in education, AI in scientific research and machine learning. The impact of AI, ethical conversation and challenge AI is concerned about the job displacement rate.
Loss equals to CP minus S1. 80 minus 16 is equals to 30 rupees loss. Thank you. What is that? My name is Anu.
In our daily life, we use so many measurements like measurement of length, measurement of mass of weight, and measurement of capacity. Measurement of length. The standard unit of length is meter. In our daily life, we use to measure small things such as chapter and pencil, etc. And a tape to measure clothes. Measurement of mass or weight. The standard unit of weight is gram. In our daily life, we use to measure things like tables and grocery items, etc. Measurement of capacity. The standard unit of capacity is liter. In our daily life, we use to see the capacity of fuels such as petrol, diesel, drinks, and water, etc. The standard units are length, capacity, and weight.
Measurement of kilometer, hectometer, decameter, higher units, meter, standard unit of unit, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter, lower unit, kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Example: the length of a crayon, millimeter. 1 millimeter is equal to 1/1000 meter. Millimeter is lower unit. Example: thickness of a coin. Thank you. My name is Zara Mariam. I am studying in 4th class. Today my topic is about divisibility. Divisible means remainder should be 0. Divisible by 2. The last digit should be even, like 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Divisible by 5. The last digit should be 0 or 5. Divisible by 10. The last digit should be 0. Divisible by 3. The sum of the digit is divisible by 3. So whole number is divisible by 3. Example: 8580. 8580 is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 5 and 10 also. Then we should add all the numbers. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 8 is 21. 21 is an example of divisible by 3. Thank you.
Our topic is about coordination. Cartesian planes is also called coordinate planes. It's used to provide the location of a plane. It's a point and proves more practically and represents the relationship of a mathematical relationship in a two-dimensional space. The Cartesian shapes are provided into x-axis and the y-axis.
Coordinate geometry is used in daily life for navigation, design, computer graphics, data visualization, and math. GPS system uses coordinates like latitudes and longitudes to find the exact location of the example. This indicates that the person is standing 8 kilometers away from the west and 7 kilometers away from the south. This indicates that the person is standing 1 kilometer away from the east and 5 kilometers
radius is the center of the circle. From center of the circle to circumference is called radius. Double the radius is diameter. Length of the boundary of circle is called circumference. I made the circle into 8 parts and formed into a parallelogram. Parallelogram has base and height. Area of parallelogram is area of circle. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi radius, which is half of the circle into 2 pi radius into r. R is nothing but radius. 2 to get cancelled. Pi radius square. Pi is the ratio of circumference and diameter. Value of pi is 22.7 or 3.14. Thank you.
My name is Selina and I am from 7th. Today I am going to explain about angles formed by the transversal partition of two lines. A transversal is a line that intersects two or more lines at different points. When transversal intersects two lines, 8 angles are formed. 16 angles. Angles that are formed outside the two parallel lines are called exterior angles. Angle 1, 2, 3, 7, 8 are exterior angles. Interior angles. Angles that are formed inside the two parallel lines are called interior angles. Angle 3, 6, 4, 5 are interior angles. Corresponding angles. Angles that are formed on the same side of the transversal and one of them is immediate, one of them is exterior. These angles are called corresponding angles. Alternate interior angles. Today my topic is direct and inverse proportion. In our day-to-day life, we come across many such situations where we observe how a change in one quantity results in a change in another quantity. An example for direct proportion is an increase in the rate of petrol or diesel increases the scale of journey. An example for direct inverse proportion is an increase in the number of kilometers decreases the time of completing work. An increase in one quantity that decreases the other or an increase in one quantity that increases the other is called direct proportion. An increase in one quantity that decreases the other or an increase in one quantity that increases the other is called inverse proportion. Thank you. Good afternoon. Here my topic is about it is the main event to the system of mathematics that simplifies multiplication, division, carry, strings, parallels, units, and combinations. Here I am going to multiplication by using example 11 into 2. Step 1. Multiply the right whole values vertically. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Step 2. Multiply diagonally and add the number. That is 1 into 2 is equal to 3. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 2. Step 3. Multiply the left whole values vertically. That is 1 into 1 is equal to 1. The answer is 1.
Some of the interior angles of eight-sided quadrants, which are closed figures made up of 9 segments. So by using this thread, I am going to make shapes and find their sum. So first we are making a triangle. So a triangle has a measure of 180 degrees. So by adding this measure, we get 180 degrees. Thank you. Very good. Can I make?
My name is Mohammad Jawdin and I studied in 8th class. As you can see, this is a Rubik's Cube. I can solve it under 90 seconds. Okay, ready?
Come on, ready.
1 minute 37 seconds.
Very good.
My name is Elsa Anish. I am studying in 6th standard. Today is my project about LCM and HCF. LCM is the least common multiple. HCF is the highest common factor. LCM is the smaller number which can divide both 63 and 42 by using prime factorization. LCM means multiplication of common and non-common factors. So the LCM of 63 and 42 is 126. HCF is the bigger number which can divide both 63 and 42 by using 8 sides.
From class 6, my project is about types of lines and angles. 2 raised to the common endpoint forms an angle. There are 6 types of angles and 6 types of lines. Types of lines. Line. A line has no endpoint. Race. One end has an arrow to show that it can be extended in one direction. Line segment has fixed endpoints. Perpendicular lines. 2 lines which are right at the arc or perpendicular lines. Intersecting 2 lines having exactly one common point are called intersecting lines. Parallel lines. 2 lines which do not intersect with each other. Like acute angle analysis. Right angle analysis is exactly 90 degrees. Acute angle analysis is now daily life, we can see angles equal to acute angle and go and move. Hexagon. Hexagon is a six sides, 6 vertices and 6 example, beehive. The beehive having 6 sides and the hexagon also having 6 sides. Heptagon. Heptagon is a 7-side polygon with 7 sides, 7 vertices and 7 corners. Octagon. Octagon is an 8-side polygon with 8 sides, 8 vertices and 3 corners. Example, octopus. Octopus having 8 legs and the octagon also having 8 sides. Nonagon. A nonagon is a 9-side polygon with 9 sides, 9 vertices and 1 vertex. And its these are polygons. They are 3 శుభోదయం అందరికీ. నా పేరు హర్షవర్ధన్. నేను 6వ తరగతిలో చదువుతున్నాను. ఈరోజు నేను చెప్పబోయేది వ్యవసాయం రైతే రాజు. వ్యవసాయం అనే పదంలో సాయం ఉంది. వ్యవసాయం కేవలం వృత్తి మాత్రమే కాదు, తరతరాలుగా వస్తున్న జీవన విధానం. అగ్రికల్చర్ అనే పదానికి కల్చర్ ఉంది. ప్రపంచానికి కల్చర్ సాయం చేసే గుణాన్ని నేర్పే ఉపయోగపడుతుంది రైతన్న.
అయోధ్యలోని उत्तर प्रदेशలోని అయోధ్యలో నిర్మించబడింది. ఆగస్ట్ నవంబర్ 9, 2019 భారత సుప్రీంకోర్టు ఆలయ నిర్మాణానికి భూమిని మంజూరు చేసింది. ఆగస్ట్ 5, 2020 ప్రధానమంత్రి మోదీ రాయి వేశారు.
ఉదయం నా పేరు అర్జున్ రెడ్డి. నేను 3వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. నేను ఈరోజు మన మాతృభాష తెలుగు గురించి చెప్పబోతున్నాను. తెలుగు వర్ణమాలలో 22 అక్షరాలు ఉన్నాయి. అవి 3 భాగాలుగా విభజించబడ్డాయి. నేను ఈరోజు మీ అందరికీ ఒక చిన్న నీతి కథ చెప్పబోతున్నాను. ఒక అడవిలో చిలుక మరియు జింక మంచి స్నేహితులుగా ఉండేవాళ్ళు. వాళ్ళు ఒకరోజు ఆడుకుంటుంటే అదిగా వస్తున్న వేటగాడు ఆ జింకను చూసి ఎలాగైనా అది కావాలనుకుని వల వేసి పట్టుకొని ఇంటికి బయలుదేరుతుండగా చెట్టు మీద నుంచి గమనిస్తున్న చిలుక ఏమవుతుంది, నా స్నేహితుడు నేను ఎలాగైనా కాపాడుకోవాలనుకుంది. దానికి చిలుక ఏం చేస్తుంది, వేటగాడు వెళ్తున్న దారి నుంచి గాఢమైన పక్షుల్లా పడింది. దాన్ని చూసి వేటగాడు ఏమనుకున్నాడు, నాకు 2 జంతువు కూడా దొరికింది అనుకుని సంతోషపడి చిలుక దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళేస్తే ఇంకా అక్కడి నుంచి పారిపోయింది. అదంతా గమనిస్తుంది చిలుక. ఆ మరుక్షణమే ఎగిరిపోతుంది. ఇది ఏంటంటే నిజంగా మధ్య పరిస్థితిలోనే ఉంటుంది. దేశ భాష ధన్యవాదాలు.
pericardial membrane which protects the heart from physical damage and injuries. So this is superior and inferior vena cava. We are not having the part right now, so like I'm just imagining like that. So it is present here only beside the heart. This is superior and inferior vena cava. From here the deoxygenated blood enters into right atrium. The heart has 4 chambers: right atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle and left atrium. So the deoxygenated blood enters into right atrium. The right atrium contracts, the size is decreased and the pressure increases, due to which the tricuspid valve is the tricuspid valve from where the deoxygenated blood enters into right ventricle. The right ventricle also contracts, the size is decreased and the pressure increases. So the blood is deoxygenated right now. Through pulmonary artery, the blood enters into lungs for the oxygenation. Now the oxygenated blood through the pulmonary vein enters into left atrium. The left atrium will contract, its size will decrease and the pressure will increase. Due to the pressure, the bicuspid valve opens due to the pressure and it then enters into left ventricle. The left ventricle contracts, the size is decreased and the pressure is increased. Internally there is the aortic valve. For that the oxygen blood comes to aorta. Aorta is the largest artery. Through aorta the blood is transmitted to all our body parts.
Very good.
Also connected to the eye, so it helps in the visionary of the human. Here is the cerebrum. Here you can see the depression and elevation of an brain. Elevations are known as gyri and depression are known as sulci. Here is the brown matter of the brain. Brown matter is basically made up of axons. Axon is a part of neuron which is a brain cell. Here you can see white matter which is made up of bundles of dendrites. Dendrites is a helix structure present in the